If you're looking to transform your house into a smart home without overwhelming complexity or breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down 15 best smart home gadgets that can genuinely make your daily life easier, more efficient, and honestly, a lot cooler. From automated lighting to intelligent climate control, and some surprisingly innovative solutions you probably haven't considered, this list covers the essentials and the game changers. Let's dive right in. First up is the Kasa Smart HS103P4, plug from TP-Link, your gateway to home automation. This plug-in smart outlet operates in automatic mode with a 15 ampere current rating at 120 volts AC. Made from silicone with a push-button switch and blade terminal connector, it's incredibly easy to set up. Simply plug it into any standard outlet, connect your device, and control it remotely through your smartphone. The automatic operation mode means you can schedule appliances, lamps, or fans to turn on and off based on your routine. It's affordable smart home automation at its simplest and most effective. Next, let's brighten things up with Govee smart light bulbs. These LED bulbs feature dimmable and music sync capabilities at 9 watts. The A19 bulb shape with E26 base fits standard fixtures. Operating at 120 volts with 6,500 Kelvin color temperature, they deliver 800 lumens white brightness. With an 80 color rendering index and 50,000 hour average life, these bulbs last for years. Weighing 13.7 ounces, they're standard installation. You can control everything from your phone, adjust brightness, change colors, and create schedules. It's ambient lighting that adapts to your lifestyle. Number 3. ZEZHOU Toilet Night Light. Here's something unexpected: the ZEZHOU Toilet Night Light. Made from ABS plastic with an E5 bulb base, this LED nightlight offers 9 color modes including yellow, blue, orange, purple, green, white, indigo, and aqua. It features a motion sensor that activates automatically, memory function for your preferred color, and operates on 4.5 volts at just 3.2 ounces. The button switch allows manual control, and it's waterproof for bathroom use. This gadget solves a real problem: navigating to the bathroom at night without blinding yourself with harsh lights. Comes with an 18-month warranty. It's a quirky but genuinely practical addition that improves nighttime bathroom safety and convenience. Number 4. Purriko Refrigerator Deodorizer. The Purriko Refrigerator Deodorizer tackles food odors intelligently. This device features SUS-304 food-grade stainless steel shell construction, weighing 4.6 ounces with 5.59 square inches floor area. The 360-degree air-guided ring ensures comprehensive air circulation, while the dust-proof filter maintains hygiene. The stainless steel construction is durable, rust-resistant, and safe for food environments. The 360-degree design means odors are eliminated from all directions. keeping your fridge smelling fresh regardless of what you're storing. Number 5. Google Nest Thermostat. The Google Nest Thermostat revolutionizes climate control. This programmable thermostat is compatible with Amazon Alexa, Android, Google Assistant, iOS, and Nest systems. Made from polycarbonate with a rectangular LCD display and glossy finish, it weighs just 1.76 ounces. Operating at 24 volts, it features button and voice control with wall mount installation. It handles both heating and cooling via Wi-Fi connectivity. The energy-saving algorithms can significantly reduce utility bills while maintaining comfort. Remote control through your smartphone lets you adjust settings from anywhere. It's intelligent climate management that pays for itself over time. Number 6. Holikme Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. The Holikme Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit addresses a critical home maintenance need. Made from plastic and rubber, this kit weighs 7.4 ounces with a 31.5-inch length and 1.3-inch outside diameter. Clogged dryer vents are a serious fire hazard and cause inefficient drying, leading to higher energy bills and longer drying times. This kit allows you to thoroughly clean your dryer vent system, removing built-up lint and debris that accumulates over time. The flexible design navigates the bends and turns of vent ducting, while the length reaches deep into the system. For a small investment, this kit provides essential home safety maintenance that most people overlook. Number 7. Nelko Label Maker Machine. Get organized with the Nelko Label Maker Machine. This Bluetooth-enabled thermal printer offers portable, wireless, inkless printing at 30 pages per minute monochrome output. It creates text, QR codes, barcodes, images, timestamps, and borders, perfect for organization, storage, office supplies, and holiday labeling. The rechargeable design eliminates battery costs, while clear printing ensures professional-looking labels. The thermal technology means no ink or toner required, reducing ongoing expenses. The versatility and ease of use transform chaotic spaces into organized systems. It's practical technology that simplifies everyday organization tasks. Number 8. KOEYLE Bathroom Trash Can. The KOEYLE Bathroom Trash Can brings touchless convenience to waste disposal. This 2.2-gallon rectangular trash can is made from acrylonitrile butadiene styrene with a motion sensor opening mechanism. It features both kick and touch sensor activation and auto closes in 5 seconds. The motion sensor opens the lid hands-free when you approach, eliminating the need to touch germ-covered surfaces, especially important in bathrooms. The rectangular shape with square edges fits efficiently in corners and against walls, maximizing bathroom space. It's a hygienic, modern solution for everyday waste management. Number 9. GoveeLife Mini Air Purifier. The GoveeLife Mini Air Purifier delivers clean air in compact form. This corded electric purifier weighs 2.5 pounds and features a 3-in-1 HEPA filter ideal for 182 square feet rooms. The HEPA filtration captures dust, pollen, pet dander, and airborne particles, improving indoor air quality significantly. Perfect for bedrooms, home offices, or small living spaces, it quietly removes allergens and odors. The compact size fits on desks or nightstands without consuming valuable space. Number 10. Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. The Fullstar Vegetable Chopper transforms food prep. Made from acrylonitrile-butadiene styrene and stainless steel, it weighs 2 pounds with 420 stainless steel blades measuring 4 inches long. Features include interchangeable blades, multi-purpose functionality, rust resistance, and safety lock. The interchangeable blades create various cuts, dice, julienne, slice, without multiple tools. It's kitchen efficiency that makes healthy cooking more accessible and less time-consuming. Number 11. RENPHO Smart Scale. The RENPHO Smart Scale goes beyond simple weight measurement. This scale features auto shutoff, backlit LED display, body fat analysis, bone mass tracking, and precision balancing. It provides comprehensive body composition metrics, including weight, BMI, body fat percentage, muscle mass, and bone density. The backlit display ensures visibility in any lighting condition. Auto shutoff conserves battery life. Sync data to your smartphone to track progress over time, identify trends, and make informed health decisions. Number 12. GHome Smart Fingerprint Door Lock. The GHome Smart Fingerprint Door Lock modernizes home security. Made from zinc with a plastic handle, it weighs 1.63 pounds at 1.5 inches depth. Includes fingerprint door lock, backup keys, and installation hardware. Powered by one lithium polymer battery, it features app control and lockable security. Fingerprint technology eliminates fumbling for keys. Your finger is the key. The app control lets you grant temporary access, monitor entry logs, and lock or unlock remotely. Backup keys provide security if batteries die. For families, rental properties, or anyone wanting keyless convenience with enhanced security, this lock combines modern technology with practical reliability. Number 13. Kasa Smart Indoor Pan-Tilt Home Security Camera. The Kasa Smart Indoor Pan-Tilt Camera from TP-Link offers comprehensive monitoring. This 5-watt camera weighs 1.1 pounds, delivering 1080 pixels resolution at 15 frames per second. Features two-way audio, cry detection, night vision up to 30 feet, and local micro SD recording. Compatible with Amazon Alexa, Android, and Google Assistant via Wi-Fi. The pan tilt function covers entire rooms, while night color technology provides clear footage in darkness. App control lets you monitor from anywhere, making it ideal for comprehensive home surveillance. Number 14. ArvoElio Wireless Video Doorbell Camera. The ArvoElio Wireless Video Doorbell Camera secures your entryway. Battery-powered at 6.2 ounces, it delivers 1080 pixels resolution with 2.3 megapixels maximum quality. Features two-way audio and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi with Android app control. Records in MP4 format with wall-mount screw-in installation. The wireless design eliminates complex wiring. Simply mount and connect. See, hear, and speak to visitors from your smartphone anywhere. Battery operation provides installation flexibility without electrical requirements, perfect for renters or easy doorbell security upgrades. Number 15. ThermoPro Hygrometer Thermometer. The ThermoPro Hygrometer Thermometer monitors indoor environments. Made from copper with tabletop mounting, it weighs 3.59 ounces and requires 2 AAA alkaline batteries. Measures temperatures from 55 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. This device tracks both temperature and humidity, helping maintain optimal conditions for comfort and health. The tabletop design allows placement anywhere: bedrooms, nurseries, basements, or living rooms. Battery operation means cordless convenience. For maintaining healthy indoor environments and protecting your home, this affordable monitor provides essential environmental data that helps you make informed climate control decisions. And there you have it, 15 smart home gadgets that can transform your living space into a more convenient, secure, and efficient home. I've added the links in the description, so you can check out more details on any of these gadgets that interest you. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which smart home gadget you're most excited to try.